Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text using iMessage. First, locate and tap the Messages app icon on your device's home screen. This app is typically green with a white speech bubble. Once open, you will see your existing conversations. To begin a new message, simply tap the Compose button, usually found in the top right corner. This easy first step gets you ready to connect. Now that you've opened the Messages app, let's send your first text. In the To field, type the name of a contact or their phone number. Below that, you'll find the Text field where you can compose your message. Type out what you want to say. When you are ready, simply tap the blue arrow button on the right side of the text field to send your message. It's that simple. iMessage offers more than just text. To add a photo or video, tap the camera icon next to the text field. You can also tap the App Store icon to explore stickers, GIF, and other integrated apps. For a bit of flair, long press the blue Send button to reveal cool message effects, like a screen full of confetti or lasers. These features make your conversations much more dynamic and expressive. Group chats are easy to set up. Just add multiple contacts to the To field. You can even name your group chat for clarity. To manage notifications for any conversation, tap the contact names at the top and select Info. Here, you can also turn on or off read receipts for individual chats or globally in your device's main settings. These options give you full control over your messaging experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.